Yo, what's up everybody? Andrew Howard, A Howard A, hanging with you guys on this beautiful Friday. I know it's uploaded on Saturday, but you know how that goes, showing up the vlogs on a day later. But I'm hanging with my cousin James. Say what's up, dude.
What's up, SEBZ?
Yeah, we're headed to, we're going to Panera, aren't we?
Panera.
Yeah, Panera in Salisbury. It's gonna be some awesome food.
Nice little walk.
Yeah, it's a nice walk. It's like what, 75, 70?
Yeah, and I need some food in me before I go donate blood at one.
Yeah, awesome. That's awesome, dude. I'm glad you're donating blood. You making it for money, or what are you doing for?
I do it to save lives. I do it as much as I can.
That's awesome.
So like,
dude.
I was actually supposed to be scheduled last Saturday, but I had to work. So this is the soonest I can do it. I'm doing it, getting it done. And my next appointment I've already got scheduled will be in January.
That's awesome, dude. So when we get to Panera, we'll see you there.
I got the Southwest salad and the turkey avocado BLT. I'm trying to find out where I need to go for this donation place, because I want to apply for Big Brother next year.
Oh, you want to apply for Big Brother? Dude, we can totally
So I think you could do my video.
That'd be a great idea.
I was told I just gotta be all natural, be yourself, and be genuine.
Show your place. You know what I mean?
My what?
You gotta show your place.
What do you mean my place?
If you think you should go on Big Brother, leave a comment. I think you should. I'm gonna do this video for him. Alright, so sorry about that. My battery died in my camera and my battery is backing in my car, and we walked to Panera. If you guys didn't know that, we walked there because it's so nice outside, and it's like not even half a mile from the radio station I work at. But yeah, I just want to say it's pretty cool hanging with a cousin. We were talking about this trip that we're going to do next year in the summer. We're going to take a 2 weeks off in the summer, and we're going to travel to the West Coast because we're here on the East Coast. So we're going to travel to the West Coast and back and hang in some awesome places. So that's something we can look forward to next year. We'll have a 2-week vlog. So like every single day where we're going, what's happening. It's going to be some awesome times because we're going to go to Hollywood, check out some studios, see the Grand Canyon. We're also going to go up to see Niagara Falls. Some awesome stuff coming up next year. If you people don't drive a stick, well, I feel bad for you. I mean, unless you live like in a city, I understand. But I'm telling you, if you don't drive a stick, then there's something wrong with you. Stick is probably the best thing you can do. I love driving manual, and it's just so awesome. But I'm done work, so we're gonna head to the post office here in Salisbury and send off this 3DS that I sold on eBay because I'm not using it anymore, and it didn't work on Facebook Marketplace, and Let Go is just bullcrap. But yeah, we'll head there and we'll just send that off. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna have to come back here because I have to format the DS and it needs internet connection, and they don't have internet here at the post office, and it is bright, holy smokes. Alright, so I changed the brightness settings. Sometimes manual can be a pain. So like right now, see how dark it is? So there we go, brighten up a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna have to come back to the post office hopefully within the next hour and 10 minutes because, well, that's when they close, but the DS needs to be formatted. Oh boy, so I guess I'm going to go to Starbucks, maybe? Probably the closest place to get Wi-Fi so I can format it. So we'll go there. Okay, now we're at Starbucks. So let's get into this thing and format it so I can actually ship it off and sell this thing. So it's really not been that great of a day for me. There's couple positives. I put in my 2 weeks for the radio station. Picked up another job for doing some video stuff. That's gonna be fun. I don't know what that was, but yeah, I picked that up. That'll be fun. That's actually a great opportunity. Hence, you know, the other day I posted a video called about opportunity. I heard that word opportunity 20 times the next day. So just one word, those just single words can just sit in your head if you're thinking about one word. Just ponder on one word a day and just think, how many times am I going to hear this? Opportunity. I swear I heard it 20 times. But yeah. So I came to Starbucks and I picked up a battery, went inside, and I started videoing. And I mean, the shot right before this, I'm talking about it, but camera died. All right. So I'll go get another battery. I charged one earlier at the station. I grabbed the one that was dead, and so that didn't work. And then trying to connect to the Starbucks Wi-Fi so I could format this DS so I could send it off before the weekend. Well, it didn't work connecting to there. I didn't really think it was going to. Anyways, but I guess I just go home and do it at home and ship it out Monday. I guess I'm gonna have to overnight this because they want it by Tuesday. I think they live in Illinois, so there's that. So I'm just gonna end the video there. Peace.